Game changer. I'm so excited. This fits so much. You looking at this makes you feel as overwhelmed as I am, because I just feel like I'm surrounded by bins. This is like a huge haul of new things, so I put pretty much all the new stuff on here. I'm currently watching Stranger Things, hence the shirt. Feed me and tell me I'm pretty. Cute, right? So today we are getting everything out. I've got all the pillows. I'm trying to categorize everything. Andre and I just ordered some dinner, so we're probably going to switch this up because I'm trying to get Andre onto the Harry Potter train. Onto the Hogwarts Express, literally on the train. Cute! And then I am going to finish unpacking all of these bins. So I've done pretty well so far. I mean, I've got all the mugs in the kitchen, I've got the exterior stuff over there. And then last year I had done a video about like all of my bin storage, and I showed how I labeled all of these. So I will link that video down below as well. But right now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm as overwhelmed, if not more, than Christmas. And you guys know how big I do Christmas, but this has gotten out of hand. If this is all something you wanna see, then just keep watching. We're back to another evening. So today, Andre and I went out and about a little bit. I organized the bins outside. You guys saw that. We got a shed, not built, it's like a prefab shed, but it's cute as a button and it holds all my bins. So I'm very thrilled. And that just means more room for possibilities. Now here's the deal. I got these really cute nails. So in my shed and pool cleanings today. So I figured while it's still nice out, I should shock the pool one last time. It's a hot tub. Shock it one last time, clean it out. Bought a fresh filter, gonna put that in tomorrow while it's still semi-nice out. It was beautiful out today. And then we're gonna just go on with the season and just pray. But I am a little pool pro. If you've been a part of the pool journey over the past years, I've learned many things. Now here's what I wanna do first. First I'm gonna make a margarita. So after I make a margarita, I got these nails. off of Amazon. You can follow along. You guys always ask me about my nails. My nails today did not survive, my little scarecrow ones, but it's fine. We needed to move on and get more spooky. Less fall, more spooky. So these are like pointy, witchy kind of nails. I'm definitely gonna have to shorten them. So we're gonna watch some Stranger Things, make a margarita, probably some popcorn, finish Harry Potter tonight also. Andre's loving it. He's loving it, which is amazing. And then we're gonna keep decorating. So what I did yesterday, just to keep you up to speed, is I organized everything. Like I tossed all the pillows here. I put the mantle stuff there. I'll be honest, I'm overwhelmed. So we're gonna do, as I say, a margarita for emotional support. Together, we've got this. Carl, you ready?
Ready? All right, let's do it. I know you don't mean to, but you're blocking my view. I know you got issues, but I got my shit too. I don't wanna be your therapy no more, no more. You don't wanna hear this, but it's you, it's not me. Ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself. Ooh.
Nails are done. I feel like we're ready for spooky season. I've got a very like fall cozy meal going. I've done a reel / TikTok on this before. It's a take on that viral recipe. You might have seen it of like a bunch of tomatoes in a pan and then you put some feta in it and you let that kind of sit and bake and the whole thing melts. I do it a little bit differently. I add ground beef. I actually added some ground spicy sausage also. I do a little bit of mozzarella. I will leave the entire recipe down below. I'll also put it on Pinterest. I love Pinterest. Okay, I'm gonna clean off the table, get all of these empty bins downstairs, finish dinner, time to eat.
On the flip side, maybe we can be friends when you're not so fragile, when you know yourself well. Somewhere down the sweet line, when I do things for me, cause I don't wanna be your therapy, I wanna be free. So, ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself.
It is the next day and I need to share this because I just shared this on my stories. I turned around, I'm literally editing the end of this video because videos are created daily, and I turn around and I see this. He's literally hanging off the edge, but look what he went and found. He loves and we match. Yes, I'm still wearing this. Okay, you guys keep saying, you're like, I want to order more. I'm like, yeah, so do I. I'm gonna order more t-shirts in this size because I love the baggy. I have little shorts on underneath. I love it. So here's what I'm doing. I'm creating a bin of giveaways. Andre and I are literally going to the post office today. We're gonna ship out some giveaways. PS, giveaways will always be announced by me. You will get a message from my Instagram page. It won't be a random page. There's like a lot of spammers out there, so be careful. I don't know why his cereal is in my bin, but I'm gonna bring the bins to the shed and you're a part of it. You can see the shed from the 3-season room. These bins are perfect for the shed. They fit too deep. Listen, it even rained last night and my shed is dry. This makes me want a she shed. Listen, one day, there's gonna be a bigger property and I'm gonna have a she shed and we're gonna decorate it and it's gonna be amazing. You know, goals, just set goals. So these bins fit perfectly. How freaking epic. So they fit too deep and then I can probably do another row and then I don't know how many I could get. maybe 5. So if you live in a colder climate and you're like, how is she gonna get to the bins if it's cold out? Listen, they're for fall, so I should be fine. I'm not gonna put the Christmas stuff out there, but I did get these last year. I have a couple of them. This one's a little bit smaller. You can get it off of Amazon. It is a heated mat, so it'll melt the snow. And what I do is I create like a little path to the hot tub, and then I'm gonna create a path to the shed if I need to. So that way when you go outside, you're not stepping through snow at least. And what I want to do eventually is get like a little trolley so I can bring this in myself. So these heated pads are awesome. They just plug in and they totally work and they melt the snow. And then I also bought a little space heater for this room for the fall, and it works really, really well. I think we're gonna decorate this room because I have garlands and everything. I think it'll be super fun. If you guys want me to do that, let me know. Come on. Come on. Carl. Game changer. I'm so excited. This fits so much. I'm gonna be able to fit more than my fall stuff in here. So I put my summer bins in here also. So flippin' good. I love it. Yay! So what I want to do is close this up and show it to you from the top balcony so you can just get a view of how big it is. It's really not that big. Pretty reasonable considered the fact that it's a full shed, and to have one built was like 10 times the price. So pretty good. I will link the one that we got. I think we got it from the Home Depot, something like that. And it's really cute. It matches the color of the house, blends right in, and also adds some privacy, which I love. So I'm gonna show you from the top, and I will link this also. But seriously, game changer. So that's one view of it. You kind of get an idea. I just emptied one last bin. We're gonna do a haul together. All right, so that kind of gives you an idea. It totally rained yesterday. It's got like a little faux shingle roof on it. Pretty big. You can see it next to the pool pump. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. That shed is literally the biggest game changer for me. I can now organize everything. One thing I will give you as just a word of advice, get the same bins. I have all sorts of different bins. I think this year I'm gonna go through and organize everything, donate some things. I feel like it'd be a fun game to play. He loves his Darth Vader, the one that I showed in the video. You having fun? I want to play this game where I do a video of like donate or keep, and I think that that would be just epic. So if that's something you guys want to see, let me know in the comments down below. I hope that you enjoyed this. This was so therapeutic. It felt good to get everything out. And now we decorate. Tonight we're gonna watch Hocus Pocus and hang out. So if you guys enjoyed this, definitely give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell to be notified, and Carl and I will see you tomorrow. Bye dudes.